Hello happy people, I'm back with another video, and today I am back with my last and final scoop unboxing from ENail Couture. With this scoop, I decided to go in and get one more scoop. I did order this a little while back, so I'm not exactly sure which round of scoops this was when I got it, but it's been sitting for a while and I've been waiting for a rainy day to open it so that it could give me a little pick-me-up, and the day has arrived. So I'm super excited to get this unboxed and show you guys what I got. Okay, so I just got a $20 scoop. I didn't get anything super crazy. I just went in and I just got one this time. And again, this is going to be my last and final scoop. And in case you guys are curious, I am wearing all ENail Couture products on my nails right now. I use the ENail Couture glue to glue on his full cover tips in Eternal Beige. I absolutely love the way that color looks on my nails. And then I'm going to show you guys what else I used. I did a really simple set. So I went in with this gel polish in the color 096, which is this really pretty nude color. So that's the color I have on my nails as my base. Okay. And I went in with two coats of that, and then I finished it off with this beautiful top coat that I got in my last super scoop. If you all missed that unboxing, I'll leave it down below. But I am a big fan, but it's this really beautiful glitter top coat, and I absolutely love the way my nails turned out, you guys. I do have a full tutorial of this set coming soon, so stay tuned, okay? Okay, happy people, I ordered this scoop, I believe, at the end of 2024, and the scoops have changed since then. I think they now come in like a smaller, flatter, slender pink box. So this was right before he made the scoops even smaller, because these were smaller than the original massive scoops, but just wanted to mention that for those who are watching. Alright, so this here is the box. It feels a little bit like it got a little more weight to it, so hopefully I got some really cool goodies in here. And as you all can see, again, I did get just the one regular scoop. It was 20 bucks. So let's go ahead and pop this open and see what I got, okay? It feels like it's packed to the brim, which I love. Oh my gosh, I see some things I'm excited about. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Okay, let me calm down. Oh my gosh, you guys. I got a tiny, shiny star top coat. I have been wanting this for the absolute lonely. I've been wanting some shiny star top coat. I was really wanting the milky white, but oh my gosh, and I see some inks that I want. Okay, this looks like it's gonna be a good box, y'all. So this is my scoop I got. This is the first initial impression of it. I'm gonna put it all to the side and let's hop into it, okay? I'm so excited, y'all. Like I got some stuff I've been wanting. So first, starting off here right off the top, I got some cute little stickers here. Looks like they're abstract. Got some cute little feathers. I like the mauvey muted tones to this, so that's really cute. I did get another apron, and again, I've been loving these aprons not only for when I'm doing nail art here in my nail room. I use it in the kitchen when I'm cooking, and then I also use it with my daughter during playtime so that she doesn't get our carpet and rugs and stuff messed up. So these aprons have come in clutch for me. I use them for my daughter as well. It's been really helpful. Next here, I got some bling. I've not gotten a whole lot of bling in my boxes, so cool to see this. Let's see what we got here. So that's really cute. Some really big pearls here. Got like a cute little flower. Oh, that's cute. A little purple flower there. Huge pearls. A little bit of bling. Some rocks in here. That's a fun little thing here. So got this little bit of bling. Got a cuticle stick, which you can never have too many of. I got here a nail file, which is awesome. I've been using his nail files a lot. Very nice. I got here another one of these brushes. I absolutely love these brushes. I have one now in my kitchen as well as here in the nail room, and I think this one I'm going to go ahead and put in my bathroom. So I really like these scrub brushes a lot. So I have this. I have some Happy Gel, and it's in the color 109. So that's pretty cool. I think this is that glitter Happy Gel. I think I'm going to do a separate video where I swatch out all of his Happy Gels. So I've only gotten the clear and the pink so far. Oh, and I've gotten the white, to Grand Champion white. So got this. I got some fun gels here on top. I originally got some fun gels in my color scoop, so really excited to see that I got some of them in my regular scoop here. So the first one here is in color 005, and all this stuff is on top, which is really cool. I guess they redid how they packaged the boxes. So let's take a look at this color. Ooh, very pretty. This is a really nice deep blue color. Very gorgeous. I really love the formula of his polishes. You see how thick they are? Like they're not like runny or anything like that. It's a really thick viscosity, and I absolutely love it. It gives you so much control over the polishes. And then the next one here is 010. Ooh, pretty. Look at this. This has a really cool iridescent shift to it. It almost looks like a galaxy. It almost looks like it's glowing too. How beautiful is this? Absolutely love this color. Gorgeous. So I got this. I'm excited to use that. Next here on top, I have a Spring Candy. And this is one of those little glitter pots. I was really hoping this was going to be one of those I was really hoping this would be one of his bubblegum gels and one of the new colors that he has. I've been seeing people get those. So I'll open this up a little bit later. Got here a Moxie ink, which I'm excited about. I actually really wanted this color. I have purple so far and I have black. So now I have this really beautiful yellowy orange color. Really cute. Okay. Next here we have a gel. Well, next here we have a liner here, and it is in 004. His liners are actually really good, super thick and super pigmented. So this is a nice kind of pastel muted purple, and it's a nice thin point to it. So that's really pretty. Next here we have Shiny Star top coat, and it's in Cosmos. This is the first Shiny Star top coat that I've gotten. As I showed you guys earlier in the video, I did get the top coat that had the long stem to it. I think that's one of his Wonder top coats. But really excited to have this Shiny Star top coat. I was really hoping to get the milky white one though, but let's see what this looks like. Oh, pretty. Okay, this is kind of like a white, like a milky white. I guess it's clear with like a really fine hollow iridescence to it. So yeah, I can appreciate a nice glitter top coat. I tell you that, because that made these nails. It was a basic set, but it just kind of took them to the next level once I added that top coat. So that's really nice. I'm happy to have this, and again, love that formula. So this is cool, and this is 12 ml. Next here I have an acrylic, and it's called Paste Pink. And let's see what it looks like here. Okay, and it's a really pretty pink color. Very nice. And these acrylics do work really good. I do like them a lot. So we got this. Next here I got a bubblegum gel. So that's really exciting. I got it in pink. I'm so happy to have another bubblegum gel. I am just obsessed with his bubblegum gels. I've done a couple of tutorials on my channel now. I'll go ahead and leave them down in the description box below, but I think I've done like 2 or 3 sets with his bubblegum gel. I've used the clear and I've used the pink so far. Like I said, I was really hoping to get some of the other colored bubblegum gels, but maybe I might have to just go on there and get them myself. But these are super cute, and I love this stuff. It's like holy grail for me now. Next here we got a couple of nail tips, which is exciting. Okay, so we got here, let's see, the extra long frozen coffin. I don't know if I have the frozen and extra long, so I have these, and I absolutely love his nail tips. Like I said, right now I have on Eternal Beige, and I'm just obsessed with his nail tips. I've been using them non-stop. I'm getting ready to do another set with the 24 carats, and I don't know, I just love his nail tips, so I'm happy to have these. I also got here, looks like Princess Pink Coffin. So I don't know that I have any of the coffin in Princess Pink. I know I definitely have the stiletto, so happy to have that. I got Honey Peach Almond. Super cute, even though this bag looks a little dirty, but that's okay. And then we got Mini Stiletto, which I'm happy to have more of as well. So we got 4 bags of nail tips. And I think too, like since I've started seeing people get more of the individual scoops, he's been including more nail tips in it. I think he went back to kind of the old way of doing things. Not as many as he used to, but I think you get about about 9, you know, anywhere between 5 to 10 bags of nail tips, which is pretty cool. So I got these. I did also get a monomer. This is actually the first time that I didn't smell the monomer through the box, so that's pretty interesting. But yeah, it's the monomer here, and it looks like only 1/4 of this bottle is gone. Some of those monomers I've gotten, I mean, only like half full, so nice to see this one is a little bit on the fuller side. I believe this is his fast drying monomer, and so I use this to apply my press-ons and the full cover tips that he's included, and it's been great, so happy to have that. I got some nail foils here, and let's see, I think I do have all of these. So I have a floral design here, which I think I've gotten in a previous scoop. I got some black and white ones here, which I think I've gotten in a previous scoop. But also with this one, if I'm not mistaken, is this one of the ones? No, it's not. It's one of the ones, it's one of his nail foils that I thought was pretty cool. It came with like marble, and I can't find it for the life of me. I have to go back through my nail foils, but I got these. I got the matte colored ones, which is really awesome to have. Then I have these gold ones. I believe I got these already too. So I got a lot of duplicates, which is okay. So we got these. Okay. And then last but not least, we got some Luxe brush wipes, okay? And so these are awesome to have. I got quite a few of these now as well. Really helpful for when you're doing acrylic nails. So yeah, y'all, that's everything I got in my box. Definitely think these boxes are still worth it. Let me show you guys everything here. Okay, so this is everything that was included in my last and final scoop from ENail Couture, you guys. I am very happy with everything I got. A lot of these items I do already have, so a little anticlimactic. Was hoping to get more of the bubblegum gels and these little pots, but cool to have some of these little glitters. I got some of these in my last super scoop. Definitely happy to have another bubblegum gel. Obsessed with his nail tips. I can never have enough of those. Happy to have some more nail essentials. I am really excited I got this Shiny Star top coat. I really did want more of these, and I really wish I could get that milky top coat. And then we have here the Maxi ink, which I love. Love that I got a liner. All the foils are repeats. Some of the nail tips are repeats, but very happy overall with my scoop. So yeah, I definitely think these are well worth 20 bucks for sure, especially when you can get them on discount. And so yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the scoop. Are you guys still scooping, or have you all been scooped out? I think this is my last one. I think I'm good. I've enjoyed everything I got. Oh, I forgot to mention I got a little bit of bling too. Got to put that there. But yeah, very happy with everything I got. And I'm excited to just take, oh shoot. You guys, I forgot that I had the happy gel and the brush and some stickers. And even my apron. So yeah, again, very happy with the scoops. They're definitely well worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know if you're still out here scooping. I do have a full dedicated playlist to all of my ENail Couture scoops unboxings. I've done multiple super scoops, color scoops, and a ton of these $20 scoops, so I will leave that down in the description box below. I do upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. If you all like what you saw here, definitely stick around, join the happy family. I'd love to have you. And as always, you guys, leave some love in the comments down below, and I'll see you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful, awesome, spectacular day. Bye!